Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So for the past week or more, I've been saying that this may end up turning into an ABC correction, and it could end up doing a complete trend reversal to the downside. But every single day I come on here and I make a video saying if it breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely start looking for shorts because that would likely be the end of a correction. I definitely do not see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level yet, so we should definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, look at this right here. One, two, three waves down. Even this right here, one, two, three waves down. This right here is kind of a five waves, about one, two, three waves down. Perfect little entries, one, two, three waves down. So if price makes a double top, then goes down, then breaks structure, that's what will turn me into a bear. If price doesn't do that, even if it turns down and breaks this structure, that doesn't tell me anything. I would still be bullish. As of right now, until it makes a new high again, the most previous structure level is actually way down here. So it could go down all the way to here and then make a higher low and still go up. The key is that it needs to make a new high or a double top, then needs to go down, then it needs to break structure at a Fibonacci level. If those things don't happen, which they obviously haven't happened yet, then we should continue to look for longs every single chance we get. The trend is definitely your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.